ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅꯦ ꯂꯩ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ
ꯗꯦꯜꯂꯤ ꯃꯤꯇꯩ ꯀꯣꯑꯣꯔꯗꯤꯅꯦꯇꯤꯡ ꯀꯃꯤꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯠ ꯀꯃꯤꯇꯤꯅ ꯁꯤꯜꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯉꯁꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯌꯔ ꯂꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯔꯨꯝꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯂꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯔꯨꯝꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯨꯀꯤ ꯂꯥꯂꯧꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯕꯔꯃꯥꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯂꯧꯕ ꯀꯌꯥꯅ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯜꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯜ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯩ ꯊꯥꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯥꯠꯈꯤꯕ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡ ꯁꯥꯟꯇꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯐꯝꯗ ꯂꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯔꯨꯝꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ DMCCꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯑꯄꯤꯜ ꯇꯧꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯔꯥꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯇ ꯃꯣꯔꯦꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯔ ꯌꯥꯎꯅ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁꯀꯤ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏ 4 ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯍꯥꯠꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏ 6 ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯁꯣꯛꯍꯟꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯀꯟꯗꯦꯝ ꯇꯧꯕꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁꯇ ꯐꯥꯎꯗ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯟ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁꯇ ꯐꯥꯎꯗ ꯀꯨꯀꯤ ꯂꯥꯂꯧꯕꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯕꯔꯃꯥꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯕ ꯂꯥꯂꯧꯕꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯑꯦꯇꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯕ ꯐꯥꯎꯗ ꯁꯦꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯜ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯌꯨꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯐꯣꯔꯁꯦꯁꯅ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯁꯥꯝ ꯔꯥꯏꯐꯜꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯡꯕꯨꯅ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯔꯦꯁꯀ꯭ꯌꯨ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯁꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯨꯠꯇ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯒ ꯂꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯑꯣꯅरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टरनसु अखोई सेंट्रल सेक्यूरिटी फोर्सेस लमदबीद येंगा लेगदौनी हाइबगी येंगा लाको नते कुमई लाको नते नखोई नथौ तौ हाइबगी मतांग अदुदा हाइबा इंडिया गेर असि अदुलबा सेक्यूरिटी फोर्सेस मयाम न थवाई कलगा लेबाक नाक ननबगी दमकता लेबा अदुम पिलर असिदा अदुलबा गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया दा सेंट्रल सेक्यूरिटी फोर्सेस न मोगी मथौ तौद्रिबा करिगिनो नखोईगी मथौ दो अमुअना रिमाइंड तौननबा निंजंगननबा मखोईदा हाइननबा अमदि नखोईना करिगिदमकता कुकी लालौबसिंगी मथक्ता एक्शन लौदबनो हाइबसि हाइननबगिदमकता अखोईना मफमसिदा लाकपनी अदुगा प्रेयर तौबा लाकपनी अदुना थौ लैगिदब थवाइसिंग अदुगी शांति ओइननबगिदमकता अखोईना मफमसिदा प्रेयर तौबा लाकपनी लोइनना अखोईना गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया दा अपील तौनिबसे सस्पेंशन ऑफ ऑपरेशन के नमादा कुकी लालौबसिंगी मथक्ता एक्शन तौदबिदा मखोईना विलेज दा नत्रगा मणिपुर की तपाकी लम मयामदा कोइसलकांदा एटेक तौरिबसि खुदक्ति लेफलु अदुगा मखोईना तौरेब पोसे लेफंदब तारगदी नखोईना कयुंबा मसिगी इरांग सि थोहलिब्रा नत्रगना इरांग असि लोइसनबा सिंदब्रा हाइबगी असोवा वाहंग अमा मणिपुर मियामना हंगैबदु अखोईना मफमसिदा हाइबा लाकुनी अदुना अखोई अमुका हना अपील तौनिंगमसे गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया दा अखोई इंडिया की कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पीरिबा सॉवरेनिटी अमदी पब्लिक पीपल अमदी मियाम की प्रॉपर्टी गा हाइबदो मणिपुर दा करिगी काउथोइबनो मणिपुर दा करिगी तुमिना लेसलिबनो हाइबदो मदुगी अपील अदु तौननबगी दमकता अखोई याम पीसफुल ओइबा मफमसिदा लाकांदा अखोईना लाकपनी हाइबसिमा अखोईना मियाम दा हाइजरी अदुगा अखोई ngasi अखोई अको तोंगानबा अखोई टीम मेंबर खरा अमसु पुलिस डिटेन तौरगा लेख्रे अदुगा अखोई मफम सेसदा अखोई तोंगाना मफम सिंगे लांगरा कांदा अखोई सोइदना अखोई अदुमा प्रेयर सि तौगनी हाइबगी मफमदा हाइबो मफम सिदा लेजबनी अदुगा लोइना अखोइना ngasi prayer si ko loina na talibo demand sing matangda mayam da khangal hai bi taragadi number 1 da akoi suspension of operation ji lokhu hai bisima akoi ne ihan han da haire aduga anisubada akoi gi government of india da akoi na kari why you are watching manipur violence so long karigi no noina watch tawra lai se hai bisima akoi na haire aduga home subada why central government is not taking action against the Kuki militants who are responsible of killing Manipur Meetei community and also Indian security forces, including the police forces. Aduga aikoina amukana ahum subda haibasi haiba aikoi Manipur gi saktam amadi Manipur gi apunbagi saktam amadi Meetei singi village mayam sing asi nakoina ngakpham thokpani adu kayuma nakoina ngaktaba taragadi aikoi gi iramdam gi praja mayamna suksoi soidana akoina ngakchagani haibase simasu aikoina haibi lakpani adu loina Manipur miyam da Manipur praja da अखोई दिल्ली लेब मियामना अखोई मणिपुर मियाम की अवाब येगा मरोइना मिटई लाइदा अमुक थोक्तिब मोंगदा एटेक तौरिबा असि अखोई नांगनबगी नमकता अखोई दिल्ली द सेम सारी हाइबो वाफम अदुगी मेसेज अदु मसु ngasi केनो द मियाम दा अखोइना पिजरी अदु अखोई मिनिमम तंग साथी तुमिना लेसी मैं अखुनमा नेगो लेगिदबा थवाई सिंगी कनोइना अखोइना ngasi मोइगी दमकता लाइक खरमजबा ओइना मिनिमम खतंग सानसेनबा दु थंगबा लाइ दा खतंग हंजगिरा दा सौरि मयाम हौरसे English mga ngangge ko. Ato ko no youth kumawa India Gate. Today, Delhi Meetei Co-ordinating Committee, Youth Committee have organized a peaceful prayer session, community service in front of India Gate. Why we are here is to pray for those lives who have been killed by the Kuki Militant and also from the Kuki Militant from Burma. Today we are praying for their life, for their peaceful, for the rest, so that they may remain in the rest in peace. We are also wanting to convey the message that why we are here. India Gate is a symbol of strength and is a symbol of a place where many security forces have sacrificed their life to protect the life, liberty, property of the people of this country. But unfortunately, in the last 8 months in Manipur, which is part of India, one of the Indian states in Manipur, in the last 8 months there is a conflict going on, there is a violence going on, the communities are killing each other. But unfortunately, the government of India is not taking any action against those perpetrators of violence, those people who are holding arms in their hand and attacking the civilian in Manipur. They have not taken any action. Recently in Moreh, the Kuki Militant have attacked the Indian police at the police in Moreh. But unfortunately, in the 4 days attacked by the police, by the Kuki Militant and also some Kuki Militant from foreign militant from Burma, they have attacked, but the security forces who are operating in that part, particularly the Assam Rifles and other security forces, they have not come forward to help the commando forces. They even not fire even bullets against the perpetrator, and even the Kukis have forced the Assam Rifle to go back from the places. But in case in other valley area, whenever there is a protest, even by the women, the Assam Rifles and the security forces have brutally beaten up. They have fired tear gases and other. But in the case of Moreh, they have not fired tear gas. They have not helped to the police commando. So we are here to ask a question to the central government that Indian police are also a very important. Manipur police is also Indian police, and if this kind of incident is happening in other part of India, like the Manipur, like UP police are being attacked from other foreign militant or any other armed militant, then with the Indian army or any other Assam Rifle would be watching the way it has been done in Moreh. So we are just here to convey that in this symbolic, the sacred places of the India Gate, who has been a symbol for the sacrifice of the security forces in this country, they are now pretending to be, surrendering to the Kuki armed militant. So why you are surrendering to the Kuki armed militant? Why the central government you are trying to enforce the rule of law in Manipur? So we are here to tell that your role and a responsibility which is given by the Constitution of India should be protected, and the people of Manipur, particular, but both the communities in Manipur, their life and liberty and property, their houses should be protected. You have a moral responsibility to protect the life of the people. So that is why we have chosen in the India Gate, and also to Government of India to convey a message that you cannot play about the life and about the security of the people in such manner. So you have to act and you have to perform your duty, and this is your moral responsibility to protect the life and the liberty of the people of Manipur. That is why we have come here. That is why we are here for a peaceful prayer. But we also condemn that some of our youth volunteers members have been arrested by the Delhi police. Now it's very unfortunate, and even when there were instances, protests were happening in front of the Home Minister's houses by the Kuki women and other group, but they were not arrested, they were not even detained. But even by small Meetei community, a small number of people who have come here for a prayer, they have been arrested. So we appeal that they should be released immediately, and it is strongly condemned. And every Indian or every Manipuri should have been respected as an equal citizen of this country. So we are here to tell that that the government of India should stop the protecting Kuki militant under the suspension of operation, and they should act against those perpetrators of the armed militant group who wanting to break the coexistence of Manipur.